Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Hi, my name's Emma and I'm a makeup artist. So I'm doing a little client tutorial today. So I did film this ages and ages ago, but I thought that if I edit it and do a little voiceover, it might be nice for the channel. So first thing I've done is just gone in with an eyebrow pencil. I think that this is just a Primark one, from what I'm seeing from the video. I can't really remember. And then I'm going in underneath the brow, carving that out with P. Louise Base in shade 3, and I'm just going to tap this all over the eyelid. So the look that I went for is quite a soft look. I literally just added like brown and then faded it in from the inner corner with a lighter one, so it's a really easy tutorial to follow as well. So this is a brown from the Jeffree Star Androgyny palette. So it's quite a nice dark brown, but when you do fade it out, it does lighten really nice as well. It's my big head blocking all the lighting. So I'm just going in with a lighter brown now on a Zoeva 227, just to buff and blend that out. So the product that I'm using here is the P. Louise and Mitchell Acid Rain paint, and this is the shade Blank Canvas. It's amazing for like cutting creases or even blending out like this, because you don't need to set the product. It just gives you like a nice matte finish. So I'm just blending the brown onto the lash line, and in the waterline I added the Blank Canvas paint as well. Underneath, I literally just blended a little bit of brown just to connect it to the top. Okay, so here I'm using the L'Oreal Hydra Genius Aloe Water with a drop of highlighting drops in. This was the iconic ones. I'm using my Olivia Hale contour brush for my foundation. This is a Home and Bargain brush and it's amazing. And the foundation is MAC NC30. Now, the colour match on camera looks horrendous, but it actually wasn't that bad. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer blended in with a Real Technique Beauty Blender. And then to set the products that I've just put on, so the concealer and the foundation, I use Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Airbrush Powder. This is my favourite powder. It works on any skin, whether it's mature, young. It's amazing, I do recommend that. The bronzer I'm using is the Doll Beauty Gimme Sun in the shade Medium on my Peggy Sage contour brush. So I did just give the face a bit of a spritz, just so the highlighter would pop a little bit more. I'm using Doll Beauty Champagne Supernova. And this is MAC Petal Power Blush. The lip liner, that is MAC Cork. So I'm just going to fade that in from the sides and then blend a lighter one in the centre of the lips. The lighter shade that I used is MAC Blankety Lipstick. And this is the finished look. Really easy to follow. It was a super quick video. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment with what you thought and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.